You ever feel like life is just really screwing you? I'll tell you what to do. You blame Joe Biden. Screw you, Joe Biden. Or put a screwdriver. What? A screwdriver in your welder. You weld with it. Duh. Safety first. Pause the video right now, go to the comments, and tell me what color you think the screwdriver is going to give off when I start to weld with it. Then come back and find out if you're right or wrong. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more. And follow both my accounts, the Mad Scientist Welder and the Mad Scientist Welder 2.0. That includes my YouTube. Let's go. We really screwed that up, didn't we? Let go! Thanks for watching. God bless you. Have a good night, or day, or whatever. Bye!